At West Coast Solar, we understand that switching to commercial solar is a big investment, and it should be one that you feel confident in. Here are 5 things that you ought to consider before making the switch over to solar. Start by determining if solar energy is a good fit for your business in the first place. Look at how your utility costs contribute to your operating costs and how solar might offset business expenses to make things easier for you. Next, you will want to gather the facts about your energy consumption by looking at your utility bills from the last 6 months to a year. Historical data can show your usage patterns through various seasons, which is valuable when designing your solar power system and what works within your structure. During a site evaluation, our solar experts can determine if your commercial property is solar ready from the get-go. Additionally, we can secure permits, coordinate with the utility company, determine how your system will connect to the grid, explore available space for your panels, and so much more that's going to make your life easier. When choosing between custom solar panels or DIY solar kits, going custom can save you time and stress, ensure the entire system is designed and installed specifically for your business needs, and maximize your return on that investment. When it comes to solar, there is no one-size-fits-all system for every single business. That's why we customize your system according to the type and size of your business, your energy usage, your goals, and other factors that we take into consideration. If you're ready to explore ways that your business could benefit from solar, then get in touch with us over here at West Coast Solar. We'll answer any questions that you have, walk you through the process, and make sure going solar is the simplest decision that you've ever made. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.